Hello folks, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Tamiya P-38 Lightning in 1:48 scale. This kit was built, well, first of all, the construction process was built over the course of 2 days. It took me a long time to build this. Mainly because there was just so many parts. This kit is so, oh gosh, it's so detailed. Especially the canopy. I don't know if you can see that. The canopy is not the clearest, but there's so much detail in there. There really is. Now, the story behind this is I wasn't really interested in building a 1:48 scale kit, but I wanted to build a P-38 Lightning because of my last project. I wanted to build at least one example of each aircraft. I think I said this in another review, but excuse me. I wanted to build one aircraft, an example of one aircraft from every front of World War II. Now, I did not really want to build the Mustang initially for the American side. I wanted to build the P-38 Lightning because, I mean, why wouldn't you? It looks so cool. Look how unique it is. So different. It's basically like three airplanes welded together. And that's exactly what I thought. I thought it was two Spitfires chopped in half and welded together. It's so unique, and I really wanted to build this one. But I could not find it in, because I didn't know about Hobby Boss. I know Hobby Boss, I think it's Hobby Boss anyway, but they sell a 1:72 scale version, which is what I wanted, but I didn't know about that at the time. So I had no choice but to build the 1:48 because I really wanted to build this one. Now, I've heard of Tamiya before I got this kit, because Tamiya just so happened to be the only company selling it, at least that I could find on eBay at the time. I really wasn't interested in building a Tamiya kit. I know people talk about how Tamiya is one of the best model companies of all time. To tell you the truth, I really wasn't interested. Usually, when it comes to anything, I generally don't venture outside my comfort zone. I just stick to what I know, and I know Airfix and Rebel, and I don't usually go any further than that. But I just thought, what the heck, it was only €20. I thought I'd just give it a risk and just have a go. And wow, I was blown away by how good this kit is. For someone who has just built Airfix Rebel and maybe one artillery kit, to build this is almost unbelievable. The detail, it's the parts though. Everything just fitted together so perfectly. I didn't have to file or cut anything down. Okay, well, I did have to cut them off the sprue and maybe cut off some flash, but that's it. It was an absolute dream to build. Now the propellers do move. Mine are just glued. I think just some paint seeped down and it's hardened, and I don't really want to mess with it. Because I tried to turn this one and I ended up snapping it off, so I don't want to try that again. This comes with loads of decals, but I didn't bother putting most of them on because they're, it's going to be sitting on a shelf anyway, so I don't see the point. I added some suspension wires here by melting a piece of sprue and pulling it apart, if you know that technique. Yeah, I painted it with a mix of Humbrol and Revel enamels. I think it was matte 66 that I used, which I don't know why, but olive drab in Humbrol paint is extremely rare and hard to find. I could not find one for the life of me. I had to buy one from France, and it cost nearly €10 for just one pot of paint. But I literally couldn't find it anywhere else. So I have no hobby shops around me. So yeah, but it doesn't matter. We got it painted, and I did some Panaline washes as well, just to kind of bring out some details. And all in all, I think it turned out pretty well. Miss Virginia there at the front. There's actually two versions you can paint it in. One is I think it's the H and the G variant. Don't quote me on that, but basically one comes with blue propellers and teeth, and the other is just the one you see here. I wanted to build this one because I really don't like the teeth on it on any aircraft. I think they just look ridiculous, but I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit. And I definitely recommend this, even for beginners, actually. It is a bit detailed, it really is, but I think it's great for beginners. It does actually come with ball bearings and weights in the inside because um, it suffers with tail lift. I think you might have seen that at the start of the review, so yeah, I think actually if you shake it. Okay, I don't know if you hear that, but one actually came loose, so um, yeah. But all in all, I think it was an absolutely fantastic kit, and I would recommend anybody who wants to build this to definitely give it a go. Even for beginners, I definitely recommend it, because Tamiya kits are really good. Um, okay, that's my short review of the P-38 Lightning by Tamiya in 1/48 scale, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.